Welcome to the laser cutting session. In this session we are going to see how to cut the workpiece using laser. So this is the laser machine which you are seeing in the video. Now we are going to show you how to copy the image from the pen drive on machine and how to cut the required profile. So let us see how to attach the pen drive to the machine. So here you have got USB port, PC port. So in USB port you have to connect the pen drive. Once this pen drive is connected, then you have got this display. So in the display you are going to see the different buttons. So here we have got this different buttons like escape, enter, origin, frame, file, start, pause, and other buttons are there. Now we have to copy the file from pen drive to the machine. So to do that, first we have to go to file. After going to file, here you will be getting the files which are already there in the machine, and on this side you have got the different options. So here you have got the option like U disk 1. So to access that one we have to use this arrow. So after using this arrow you will be coming to this side of the display. There we have to go to U disk and then we have to press enter button. After pressing the enter button you will be getting three options: read U disk file, copy to memory, and delete. Now we have to read the files from the pen drive. So to read that one we have to enter here. You will be getting the files available in the pen drive. So here we have got a file name card. So this file is there in the pen drive. Now we have to copy this file to the memory of the machine. So to do that we have to go to copy to mem. This copy to mem option we have to go, and then we have to press enter. The moment we enter we would be able to copy the file. Here I have already copied that file, that's why it is saying name overlap. So after that again you have to come back to the file. So when you come back to the file, so to come back the file we have to press the escape button, and you will be getting different files available in the machine now. So here we have got our component, that is name card. So name card is here. So this is the name card what we have got. So here we have got the name of the department and we have to cut the rectangle with corners. Now to cut this we have to select this file by selecting enter button. Once the file is selected it will be displayed here, and here you will be getting the different operations. So this black color will be representing the cutting operation and this red color will be representing the scanning operation. So here what we are going to do, first we are going to do the cutting operation. So cutting operation will be having the low speed and more power. For scanning will be having the high speed and low power. So now to cut this we have to give the laser power. So laser power would be here. This is the button of laser. You have to start this. So now laser is turned on. So once the laser is turned on, then we have to select the origin. So origin will be selected from here. Now we have got the origin button and we have got the movements here. So using different movements, using these movements, these arrow, this arrow, this arrow, and this arrow, these arrows will help us to select the origin. Now we are selecting the origin using this. I am selecting the origin at this. So now this red point is the origin we are going to fix. So to fix that origin we have to press origin button here. We have to press origin button here. So I have pressed and I have fixed the origin. Now we have to see how much sheet is required. To see how much sheet is required we have to click on frame button, on this frame button. So the moment I click frame button here you will be able to see the frame here. This is the space which required. Once again I will show how you will get the frame. See here. So this is the portion which we require. So according to the requirement we can adjust that, and once that is adjusted, then we can press the start button. Before we start, we have to make sure that laser button is on. So once this is on, all other buttons are on, then you can click on the start button and you will able to see the operations on the laser machine. Let us press start and see the operations. So first it will perform the scanning operation and then it will perform the cutting operation. In the scanning operation, you will be having high speed, low power. And in the cutting, you will be having high power, less speed. So this is the operation which is taking place. So it has completed scanning and now it is cutting. The cutting path will be given by the light diagram. Thank you.